Hi everyone. In this video, we are going to learn about pipe in Linux. So, what is pipe? It's like execute one command, get the result of that command, and provide that result to some other command as its input. Like, let's say, I'll give one example here. Okay, let's say I am giving ls command. Okay, I got some file names here. I'll store the content of the command to a particular file. Let's say I am giving to temp.txt. So if I see now, temp.txt contains the list of all the files present here. Okay. So now I want to find a particular file from here. Then I can use grep, let's say t1, then temp.txt. Here I am using input redirection. I can directly also use like this because grep takes both arguments and standard input. Okay, both are valid. Okay. So here what I did, I listed all the files present in my current directory and stored those content in a particular file temp.txt. So temp.txt contains all the files present in my current directory. And I am searching for one file if the file present or not to check. Okay. So I am searching if t1 is present in my current directory or not using this file. So we did ls, we store that in a particular file. Okay. After that, we use grep command to find inside the file. Okay. So what we can skip this part. We can directly give the output of ls command to grep. So in between the step, which was including the content to be stored in a particular file can be skipped. So for this, we can use this vertical line. If we use ls, then I can give, this is called pipe actually. Then if I write grep, let's say t1. So now what it does, ls means it will generate the list of the files present in my current directory. It will provide that files to grep command as standard input. Okay, not as argument. It will provide a standard input. Just like input redirection, pipe also work for standard input, not arguments. So here it will be like this. Okay, means the content will be appended at the end of the command here. So one more example I'll give. Let's say I have all the files which are having .txt extension. Okay, I'll create some different file right now. Let's say touch y124 docs. Okay, so now I'll do execute the command ls, means it will list all the files. Okay, and provide that to next command. Let's say I'm finding all the docs. Okay, so it will simply give me all the docs file. After that, let's say I want to find something like this grep y1. Okay, now what it does, ls gave all the content, all the file list to grep. Okay, so here the docs were filtered out y1, y2, y3, y4. After that, it searched for y1 among these four. So like this, we can chain the commands using pipe. One more example I can give, just like wc. Okay, if I use this, I can get the content here. Okay, even I can do like this, cat t1.txt, then wc. what it does, it will print the content of the file t1.txt, and it will provide the content to wc command. So like this you can like combine or chain multiple commands so that execute in a sequential way. Like one command will execute, it will generate some output and provide that output to another command which will take the output as its standard input. So this is all about pipe. Thank you guys.